Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini bread. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then lightly grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a small bowl, add in the canola or vegetable oil, milk, eggs, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and add in the shredded zucchini, and mix them together until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then turn it out of the pan onto the cooling rack, and you can serve it still warm or cooled completely. And that's how to make zucchini bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.